Then we'll crochet the big pumpkin. Wrap the yarn around your little finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. This is the back side of the basic gesture. If the yarn tail is too long, we can pull the side to shorten it. If the yarn tail is too short, we can pull the yarn tail to make it longer. Leave a long yarn tail here. Working into a magic ring, make a loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with the chain stitch and then work 6 single crochets. Work 1 chain stitch first, yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch at the beginning is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V-shape is formed on the side. Each V-shape stands for 1 stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch through the underneath of both loops of the V-shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over the hook, and put up a loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. 2 V-shapes are formed on the side. Continue to work 4 more single crochets in the same way. 6 V's on the side stand for 6 single crochets. We can count the V's to check the number of stitches. The loop on the hook is not counted as one stitch. Six single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Six single crochets are finished. Round 1 is done. In round 2, work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We'll work the first stitch in this marked stitch. Remove the marker. Insert hook into the marked stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Place the marker in the first stitch through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets in the same stitch are finished. That's 1 increase. There are 2 V's on the side. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Now, work the second increase. First, put 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. The second increase is done. There are 4 V's on the side. Continue to work 4 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are finished. Round 2 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape.